Good evening. Private information about millions of Americans is in the hands of cyber thieves tonight. They broke into a database at this country's second largest health insurer. It's called Anthem, and it runs Blue Cross Blue Shield plans in more than a dozen states. The company says that database contains 80 million records, including names, birth dates, and social security numbers, a gold mine for identity thieves and con artists. It is not known if the hackers got health records. Kris Van Cleave begins our coverage.
Anthem was one of thousands of healthcare companies warned twice last year by the FBI that their industry was particularly vulnerable to hackers. In 2014, there were 42 cyber attacks targeting health providers, compared to just 5 in 2010. In this document, the FBI cited the industry's lax cybersecurity standards and said they were being targeted for a list of reasons. Jim Traynor is second in command at the FBI's cyber division.
One was the shifting of records from paper to digital format, which creates the opportunity now for cyber criminals to obtain and go after these records.
The FBI also warned on the black market, criminals will now pay much more for personal health information called PHI.
Credit cards can be, say $5 or more, where PHI records can go from 20, say up to, we've seen it even go higher as $60 or $70.
The data is so valuable because it can be used to build a strong fake identity or even be sold to criminals for insurance and billing scams.
Well, we were always concerned.
Dr. Robert Waugh is the president of the American Medical Association.
If you lose your credit card, we all know you call 1-800-I-LOST-MY-CARD and they turn your credit card off. There is no 1-800-I-LOST-MY-HEALTH record, and you can turn off all that rich information that's in your health record.
A 2014 survey of healthcare technology professionals found half spent 3% or less of their technology budgets on cybersecurity. Experts tell CBS News the standard is 10%.
Do you worry about the security of your own health records?
Absolutely, I do.
Tom Turner's BitSight Technologies rates companies on cybersecurity.
Healthcare is absolutely performing at the bottom of the other industries. If you'd like a letter grade for that, it's certainly, in the C or D.
Sources tell CBS News that this attack involved custom malware, which has been used in state-sponsored attacks. And Scott, sources also say the FBI is looking into the possibility the attack came from overseas, possibly China.
Kris Van Cleave with the news tonight. Kris, thank you very much.